An audio recording circulating online is alleged to feature a retired army general expressing strong concerns about Zimbabwe's current political trajectory. In the clip, the speaker appears to issue warnings about rising tensions and the potential consequences of unresolved institutional disputes. Sarabina Mashugumda Pangwa Enanyagwa Chinzi, like the audio allegedly features a retired general warning of escalating political tensions. Sarabina Mashugumda Pangwa Inoi, from Solpekio Sirvitika, Munyika Zimbabwe, Takata Sarane, the ruling party ZANU-PF, Awanima from Sura Avarukuita Jeno, budget them government. But was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna Mobile Commissions. The authenticity of the recording has not been independently verified. No official confirmation has been provided regarding its origin. Political analysts caution that leaked materials, particularly those involving security figures, should be approached carefully until verified by credible sources. Observers note that statements referencing posts or institutional breakdown often emerge during periods of heightened political uncertainty. However, constitutional processes and civilian governance structures remain the formal mechanisms through which political disagreements are addressed. Public reaction has been divided, with some interpreting the remarks as a warning call for institutional accountability, while others see it as a rhetorical expression rather than a literal directive. The broader discourse reflects ongoing national conversations about leadership, reform, and stability. As authorities and political stakeholders remain silent on the matter, attention continues to focus on whether further clarification will be issued. The situation underscores the sensitivity around insecurity. Arubda pangwa inachukumirwa pamusoro leaked audio inoonekwa kunzi vakuru vanonzi kune maarmy generals panguva ino araudza kuti vasiri kusununguka vasiri kufara nemaraniro ari kuitwa zvinhu neZANU-PF. Pinda comment section medu dzofungura matodii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.